Hello sir, I am Guna from Karnataka. First of all, I would like to thank Vysh sir for his consistent effort in this competent world. First of all, I came to know this channel when I was searching for the Spectrum series. Afterwards, I followed this channel and I enrolled to test series. I would like to tell one thing to every aspirant: whatever the material you are referring, please check those material are right or wrong, because unless until you read the basic books like NCERTS and standard books, you didn't came to know whether the content given to you are right or wrong. So I recommend every aspirants to go through the video series available in this channel for free of cost, like NCRT's videos, the spectrum videos and foundational videos, because without knowing the depth of the ocean you can't jump to swim. These are the essential component for UPSC. Afterwards, enroll to test series, because test series are most essential component of this exam. And final note for everyone: please follow right and genuine content, because market available materials are end up your efforts somewhere else. And at lastly, I would like to thank once again Vysh sir for giving this opportunity.